In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the Crew app as a crew member. Let's get started. As a crew member, you will be able to bring up your daily schedule. You'll be able to see job site details like task instructions, files, and photos that have been uploaded by the office admin to this job, as well as previous visits history. Just when you need it, no need to go find your crew lead for information you need to do the job right. You will also be able to use the brand new My Hours tool to select a pay period and view the hours that have been logged for you by your crew lead or admin during that period. Lastly, training and skill building just got easier. Now you can access your Greeniest training courses and exams right in the Crew app. Instead of waiting idle, you can train. Build your skills and review safety procedures during downtime so you become more efficient.
To log in, simply enter your phone number associated with your account, or you can sign in with your registered email address, or with your username and password. Choose your preferred sign-in method, and once you're set up, sign into your account. For this example, I will sign in using my username and password. Let's sign in as Mario. Mario is a crew member at Big Mac Landscaping. You may use the Crew app's home dashboard to pull up any crew schedule, route, or job. Here, you can see that your crew is scheduled to all of these jobs today. You can also see the tasks you're supposed to execute on these job sites and the estimated crew hours per task. Every task would have its estimated hours. By sticking to those hours, you're helping in accurate job costing. If you click on the task information, you'll get to see the task instructions if they were added. You can also access job-related files when needed without reaching out to your crew lead. You can also see previous visits to this job site under History. You can review past timesheets and their efficiency scores from previous days. You can't start or edit tasks. You can't clock in or out, add photos or notes, edit the schedule, mark visits as skipped, or change your own data. You also can't edit or submit timesheets. Moving into the My Hours dashboard, you can use this tool to view the hours that have been logged for you by a crew lead or admin. In this example, you're seeing hours logged Monday through Friday. This is a summary dashboard for daily logged hours, weekly logged hours, and the overall pay period logged hours. If any overtime was triggered on those timesheets, those would also be logged down below. Clicking on the dashboard, you can view a detailed breakdown by the logged hours type or status. When it's set to type, data will be broken out into regular, overtime, and double time hours. A breakdown of those hours can be identified using a color code per hour type: green for regular hours, light blue for overtime, dark blue for double time. Down below, hours breakdown can also be displayed per day with the same color code of the rate. When it's set to status, hours will be broken out by on the status of the timesheets they appear on. Whether those hours are part of a timesheet that is approved, submitted, or in progress. Down below, hours breakdown can also be displayed per day with the same color code of the timesheet status for that period. You may tap on any day within Daily Breakdown to bring up a detailed view of that day's work. This shows the timesheet you were logged on, and you can see data such as your crew's efficiency, jobs served, tasks completed, and hours logged. You can always flip through pay periods from here. Lastly, you can click on the left side panel, then click on My Training tab down below. This is where you can review all assigned Greeniest training accordingly and start those courses from your phone. Whether that is a video course, an exam, a checklist, each and every content course assigned to you on Greeniest can be accessible from your Crew app.
That was a day in a life of you using the LMN Crew app as a crew member. Give it a try and reach out if you have any questions.